Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritzen Lab blog in one more video for you. So, I made a keychain. This that you are seeing in my hand is a keychain I made because I got married a couple weeks ago in August 27th with Simone or to Simone. And then I decided to make something using electronics in order to mark or to commemorate our marriage. So this keychain, as you can see, it's round, it's 46 millimeters wide or in diameter, right? It features a 74 HC or 74 LS 14, which are 6 gates Schmidt trigger inverter, so 6 Schmidt trigger inverters, with who you can make a oscillator using only one capacitor and one resistor. In my case, I'm using a 39K resistor and a 10 microfarads capacitor. There's a switch, SW1, that you have to press in order for the circuit to blink. Let me show you the backside. So in the backside there is a battery, a CR2032 battery, right? It's a like 3.3 volts battery. In the front side, there's two resistors, one capacitors, one LED, and one switch. When I press the switch, let me show you. So it blinks, right? It's blinking in a rate of roughly 3 Hertz. It's 3 Hertz, so there are online calculators for the 7414 that says that for 39K and 10 microfarads, it's gonna blink at roughly 3 Hertz. Okay guys, see you next time.